part 2 of unboxing
fireworks. Not really unboxing, but just showing you guys.
But in the morning, we went to our dad took us to the
reservation to get all these really cool fireworks. So shout out to you, Dad.
So let's get into it. You know the smallest two first? Biggest?
Yeah.
This is gonna be.
Should we do our new ones? Should we do
Should we just do all of them together?
Should we do like the old ones and the new ones?
Comment below.
Yeah, comment down below.
And we're gonna make a big video today, guys. Okay.
So these are like the.
You
guys have seen like these ones, right?
You can skip into the video if you've seen these ones.
Yeah, you guys can.
But let's just show them anyway.
Yeah, if you guys if you guys are new to his channel
Hit that subscribe button.
And also, if you guys don't know me, I'm MK2K. I sadly have 3 videos, but mostly 2 videos.
So let's get into it. So the first one we got TNT double parachute. So
so each one of them, each two.
Now put the ones that we on the side.
And then we got 2 of these lightning flashes.
Bright flashing strobe effect.
And then we got assorted color snakes. We got 2 packs of these. This one and the other one, obviously. So we have
we got
worms, magic black worms, magic color snakes, and fun colored snakes.
Yeah, we got another pack of them. And the one that is...
And I opened the other pack, that's why we're not.
You gonna do these now?
Yeah, sure.
Army!
We got these tanks.
You got tanks. There's another one.
We got 4 of these. I'm holding 1 and he's holding 3.
So now let's put
1 plus 3 is 4. Learn your math.
Who doesn't even know kids? Crackling
balls. And we got 2 of them.
Yeah.
Let me hold them too.
And you're gonna show them these?
ASMR. We got snap fingers.
I'm gonna show them these.
We got snap fingers. We got a pack of 2. No, we
these
got 2
are the
packs.
red ones. These are the red big ones.
Yeah, but we got 2 packs of these, but we used 1, so now we have 1.
So now we got pink and red ammo smoke.
Then we got sparklers, but we used them, so we have 2.
We got Roman
candles.
The rest are like open.
We got 10 of them.
Yeah,
we got 2 packs because these have
we have lots of. So there's another pack.
4.
There's another pack over here, but we opened it. Wait, 4 and
6, 7, 8.
So
we have 8 of these.
Yeah, we got not in total.
Yeah, but like we got 2 packs.
Yeah.
And we also got
more sparklers too.
And also
whatever you call them.
And for the first pack of sparklers, we also got
neon.
Oh,
You gonna bring this big bad boy after?
no, that's for the last.
The spoiler. That's gonna be funny.
Some skateboarders.
I know. The cringe.
So
We scared them with
pass.
Okay, let's pass this over. So these are jumping jacks. If you don't know what they are,
This bag is like really heavy.
you have to light them up, and you can wait, or you can like throw them, and they like
you can also have them 1 by 1. Let's show them the whole pack.
Yeah. And like you can do it like this, or you can open them. So
you're supposed to open them.
Yeah, and there's a few, so you can also do 1 at a time, or like
Yeah, the 1 at a time is really fun.
You don't do this now?
Wait.
Oh, should we do this one next?
Oh,
You do that after
we're
that
gonna
bag?
do this. Yeah, after this bag.
So these are adult snappers, but who cares? Wear strip cans and we use them, and that's like the same thing, but
As like this is the same thing, it's
but
just
like
named
different
differently.
brands too.
And these are like even this, including these are really hard to throw. Like you have to throw them full.
So these are 40 packs. So these are 20.
We also we got 3 of the adult snappers, but we used them.
We used 1. You do this one?
Let's use this one.
Wait, what? Oh yeah.
We got a pack of 100.
We tried to explode some stuff.
Yeah, but didn't work. We got.
Don't throw these. Don't give them at kids.
Yeah, don't give them to kids because they have fuses and you light them up
and they go really fast. They go really fast.
Yeah.
So right
when we put them in his toy car, and like we put them in different things. Like they didn't explode except the Smensel tube. If you guys don't know what Smensels are, they're like scented pencils, crayons, whatsoever, stuff like that.
So yeah, and it broke some of it, but these end really quick. Right when you light it, just truck it.
And this is not really a firework.
It's a thing that lights it. It's a thing that lights it.
Put them on fire for the big ones. And now we have these.
Can I do this one first?
Yeah, don't show them.
So it's.
Oh wait! Oh, here's a third pack actually.
Wait.
Oh yeah, we saw the third one. We didn't use it.
Yeah, we did. We did it.
We got 4 of them. Yeah, we got 4 packs. I thought we only got 3, but we got 4 of the adult snappers. That's just. Sorry about that.
So this is called the Boss Hog.
And they only had 2. Oh, we got Last Call.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna bring this thing out now?
Oh, wait. And,
oh yeah, is there any more in that?
No. And then the finale.
We have another finale.
Let me grab my iPad. Do you guys like my iPad case?
So this is called the
Marine Life.
Yeah.
Show them do it this side. This side is like kind of like holography type. Like, yeah, you guys know.
Yeah, this is, people call these cakes too.
Yeah, those are the cake ones.
Oh, can I bring this thing out?
Okay, I'm going to do it. Okay, so now both of us are going to take this. Oh, this is heavy.
So,
stop. The Boogeyman.
Lift it up.
Turn it around.
The Boogeyman.
This is actually Jason. It is a Boogeyman. This is actually Jason.
So that's it.
That's it.
Don't
forget to subscribe and like.
My other one was 3 minutes, but now this is 7.
Oh, and also we forgot to show you this is a firework.
Oh, you didn't show them the other one.
These are.
I'm gonna bring you guys here.
So these are the fireworks.
These are the ones they are. Now show them that one.
And there's 24 designs. Well, you do that. Show them the rest of the song.
What up, guys? It's so bright outside.
This one?
Can you put it on the side? Because I don't want to fall.
So there's only 7 designs.
Yeah.
These ones, to me, they kind of look really cool. Do you guys like that multicolor one right there?
So, yeah, that's like a team, but... Bye! Guys. Bye.